Team Associated vs Losi vs Traxxas, two-wheel drive shootout at Short Track RC. Octoberfest two-wheel drive shootout race. We had Daniel with his blue to gold Team Associated SC5 two-wheel drive, followed by Anthony with his purple Losi 22 3.0, followed by Stu with his red Traxxas slash two-wheel drive, followed by Aaron with his light grey Losi 22 2.0, followed by Jace with his grey Traxxas slash, followed by Frank with his blue and white Traxxas slash, and Stefan with his black Team Associated SC10. The track had lots of grip because it was very wet from the rain. The tyres made such a massive difference. We also had a GoPro up in the tree so we could see the track from a different view. As you can see, with us stood on the side, we were all bundled up as it was a full day of rain. The temperature was pretty cold, but we had a great day of racing. Changed the layout of the track a little bit by putting a little step jump after the corner, after the tabletop. I took the triple out and replaced it with just a bigger double, and on that section right there I actually put a little step down jump, just with the different heights in the track. Actually made it a little bit better. Saved people sliding around the corners. They actually drove the corners and then down the step. Great marshalling by Brian, Dieter and Todd, which kept the cars going around the track and made the racing a lot more enjoyable. It made for a great day. great day of racing, which Daniel won with his two-wheel drive, team associated SC5M short course truck, four-wheel drive buggies and four-wheel drive short course trucks coming soon. Please subscribe, like and share to Short Track RC and watch this video right now.